So how do you fix blurry pictures on an Android phone? Let's talk about it. If you are new on Foxtecc, most definitely become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you're not going to miss anything important. So there are more ways you can do this. The best way is, of course, to prevent capturing blurry photos by ensuring that you have the proper settings turned on in your camera. For example, you can also tap on More and go to the professional mode, where you can see we have the manual focus, and this will allow you to see what exactly is being focused on by the green indicator. So that's very useful, so you don't end up with the out of focus shots. But if you did already capture something which is out of focus or blurry, you can still try to bring back the sharpness and the definition by going to the Photos app and then clicking on Edit, the pencil icon next to the photo. And part of the controls in here are, as I said, sharpness and a definition. So try to bump it up and see if it makes a lot of difference. It's possible that, in some cases it might bring back the photos to life. In others, it may just make them look worse. So it's most definitely to play around with these settings and make sure you end up with the best result. Or you can also explore third-party solutions like Snapseed is a photo editor from Google, or Lightroom should also get the job done because you can play with the detail section where you have the sharpening, like the amount, radius, detail, and masking, which are all separate toggles and controls which you can manage. So I believe it might be useful as well. So let me know if you managed to fix your blurry pictures on your Android phone. Share your experience below, but most definitely subscribe so you'll never miss anything important in the future. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you then.